We have our whistle, we have our signal, and a line drive that'll get us started. Jalen Cagle fields it right at the goal line. Cagle up the middle. He's got space. Jalen Cagle still up the middle. Still going. Jefferson Fritz trying to bring him down. Legs still churning inside the 20-yard line. A short field to start here for Green Bay.
Jalen Cagle will dazzle you every single time that he touches that football. Just amazing what he can do returning. Not much as he saw a seam, and he just kept his legs moving.
Number 1 and number 2 in return yards in the IFL will be before us here tonight. Jalen Cagle, number 1. Keon Williams for Iowa is number 2. The Blizzard defense starts here on Iowa's 17-yard line. Another empty look for the Blizzard. 3rd down and 7. Snap to Myler. Pressure's on, looking for Ballard. Pass is caught at the 6-yard line. That's enough for a Green Bay first down.
There's that connection early. Myler to Ballard. Ballard being back after gone last week. And he just gets right to it.
Ian McBurrow is bearing down in on Myler. Pearson with tight coverage. Zone offense is where they've struggled this year. Can they convert on their first try? 1st and goal for the Blizzard. Fake handoff. Myler up the left side, cuts back in. He's in. Touchdown. Green Bay Blizzard. Pretty familiar from what we saw in that first matchup. That keeper up the left side hits Patered again. Max Myler puts the Blizzard up 6-0.
Yeah, you see Myler does this a lot this whole season long with that quarterback keeper. Does a really good job being patient here, sees the defensive end bite down, and he just got an easy one.
Myler's 8th rushing touchdown of the season, and Andrew Mevis on to attempt the point after. Snap down, kick up, and it is good. King gonna line up. Looks like under center, potential tush-push situation. Handoff, Washington stood up at the goal line, sent back. That's Marquise Hendricks, the new linebacker signing, coming in to make a nice stop, but still really close to that goal line. They did go backwards, so maybe about like a quarter of a yard. 3rd and goal from the 1 once again. Down and 10. Ballard comes in motion. Snap to Myler. Another shot play going for Ballard. Caught! Flag! Doesn't matter. Touchdown, Harry Ballard coming down with it. If you're looking for a play of the week, there it is. Harry Ballard III coming back from injury. Puts the Blizzard up 13-7.
Pass
Check on the flag.
interference. Defense number 7. Penalties decline. Result of the play is a touchdown.
I hate to say it here, but Casey, I think that's a definite case of ball don't lie. Would you agree?
I would agree with you there, Joey. Ball do not lie. Harry Ballard making his 2nd spectacular catch of the night. Just what poise.
Mevis, another extra point. Will be held down at the 21. Snap up, blocked. This might be back for 6. Kevin Ransom up the sideline. Is he in? No, just out at the 5-yard line. But that's going to set up Green Bay's offense with very good field position. 1st and goal from the 5. Oh, there's a flag down.
Coach Roberson looking to get some answers here.
Sideline warning.
Yeah, you're right, only 9 rushing yards on the game so far for Green Bay. Snap to Myler, drop back over the middle, pass caught. Demetrius Moore, touchdown, Green Bay Blizzard. And they go up 20-7 here early on in the 2nd quarter.
It's Moore's 3rd touchdown of the year for the Blizzard. It's a good one too. Wide open off the slant.
They need to respond. Snap to King, handoff to Washington up the middle, brought down. Marquise Hendricks and Rafiq Abdul-Wahid coming in there defensively. Minimal gain on the play. Maybe 1 or 2.
Abdul Wahid is so good at just.
King under center. Handoff. Washington. No, King kept it, and he loses yards off of it. King in the shotgun. Receivers in forward motion. King drops back. Pressure's on. Throw is broken up. Vi Rivers flying in there defensively. He's making big plays on this drive. That one forces a fourth down.
Yeah, he's just been all over the football, making a tremendous play.
Operating out of the empty look. Receivers in forward motion. Snap to King. Three-man rush. Pressure's on over the middle pass. Intercepted it is! Sintel Williams, he's still going! Inside the 5, off the ricochet. Sintel Williams, look alive. Blizzard are in business.
You know, I just said it. That defensive line, if they create enough pressure, it could force Kyle King to throw something at. He doesn't really want to throw, a little too high there for Williams. And Sintel Williams able to come down with it for the Blizzard. They're in good shape here.
Receivers in forward motion. Fakes the handoff. Myler up the middle, into the end zone. Touchdown, Green Bay Blizzard. Second rushing touchdown of the day for quarterback Max Myler.
That's one that the Blizzard needed off the turnover. First play, Myler able to get into the end zone using that size, lowering his shoulder.
Snap down, Myler places it. Kick is good. Receivers in forward motion, snap to King here on 1st and 10. Pressure over the middle. Ooh, nice hit by Marquise Hendricks. Well, the pass is still caught by C.J. Tate, acquired this week. Tucson released him, and Coach Mogensen attacking free agency and picking up a solid receiver, C.J. Tate. It's going to be a long field goal here for Mevis. Again, has the leg. Does he have the accuracy? This would put Green Bay up 16 to go in a half. Snap down, kick up on the way. It is good. See if they try to test him. King drops back. Pressure's on, he steps up in the pocket.
Looking.
He's going to look to run. No, he'll look to throw. Knocked down by Rivers.
Yeah, I think they were really looking for a shot there. They're kind of running a smash concept out of trips, so they're hoping that safety would bite up on a small corner, or a small curl, and then they were going to hit that corner route behind.
Rivers,
Be there.
big play here on 3rd and goal. King in the shotgun, 3-man rush. Over the middle, pass through the hands. Is it picked off? No, incomplete. They wave it off into the dasher boards, but that was 2 interceptions right there that just went through the hands.
He threw it right to him there, Joey.
But yeah, Amanda, to get back to your question, touching on, my career, a lot of people, they don't know these players. You deal with a lot of rookies year in and year out, but something a lot of the fans need to realize, these are really premier players who are one step away from the NFL. They're one step away from being in there, whether it's an injury their sophomore year of college or something along those lines.
Suddenly the Barnstormers are within striking distance, trying to make this a 1-score game once again. Snap to King out of the empty. Over the middle, pass caught by Wilson. Ball is loose, but they call it incomplete.
That was a good call.
Vi Rivers, another big hit defensively. He is known to lay it down defensively, and that one knocks the ball free.
Yeah, I touched on it earlier, man. Our
2 receivers going forward motion for the bottom of the screen. 4-man rush over the middle, pass broken up again. Kevin Ransom getting in there. It was intended for Darren Wilson.
That was a great play.
And now an injury on that Iowa offensive line.
Official timeout for injury.
Joe Bastante. 30-23 is our score. Gabe Ruiz set to kick this one away. Casey Hibbard rejoining us here as Cagle fields this one at the 5-yard line. Jalen Cagle up the right side, walking for his blockers. and he's inside Iowa territory, just short of the 20-yard line. Hey, Cagle, he had a return touchdown against this Iowa team that tied the game. Gun. One receiver at the bottom of your screen, that's Darren Wilson. King looking for Wilson, but that got tipped at the line of scrimmage. Credit Sean Mustin for getting his hand up there and knocking that one away, second down.
It's a good play by Mustin, as you see in the replay, getting his hand up.
Cerebral play there from Mustin. So they don't go away quietly. Handoff Washington. Gets hit and dropped. Not much of a gain on the play, but Blizzard defenders, a lot of green helmets swarming to that football. Take another look here. Biggers forces Washington to bounce outside, and Hendricks and Williams finish off the tackle. King gonna stay under center. Snap, fakes the handoff. King rolling around, hit! Throws it out of bounds. They're going to discuss here. They're going to call him down.
Ruling on the field as the passer was down prior to throwing the pass.
From the 14, Myler in the shotgun. Hands off, no fakes. Myler dumps off Demetrius Moore. He's looking for the end zone. Barrels his way in. No signal yet. Now we get it. Touchdown, Green Bay Blizzard. Up to a 2-possession lead with 6 minutes to go here in the fourth quarter.
That's Moore's second touchdown of the day, and it is a big one here in the fourth quarter for the Green Bay Blizzard. Puts them up 39-26. Good fake rollout by Myler. Able to square his shoulders, and Moore able to walk it in the end zone.
Snap down, kick is up, and it is good. King sends the receivers in forward motion, takes the snap, looking for the end zone, pressure's on, he's hit, he's sacked. Rafiq Abdul-Wahid and company. Great to see Rafiq back out on the field after his injury, and that is a big-time sack, sending the Barnstormers backwards. And Green Bay up 14. Iowa certainly looking for the end zone. Empty look. 2 receivers at the bottom of your screen, 2 at the top. Snap to King. 4-man rush. Looking for the end zone. Broken up. Kevin Ransom.
As you look here on the replay,
the snow falls, and Green Bay jumps to 4-1 on the season.